Why choose Auntie Cleaner as your office cleaning company? As we spend about half of our day in the office. Basically everyone is busy in the office, but at the same time everyone would like to work in a clean and healthy office. Providing a safe, clean, germ-free and high-quality environment is essential for everyone working in the office. Keeping office clean gives the impression that the office is well run. It allows your employees to concentrate better and preventing them to fall sick easily. This will improve indoor air circulation in the environment. Healthy employees work better in office due to better attendance and fewer sick days. Auntie Cleaning is your ideal choice to keep the office clean for businesses. Our service is your affordable solution at a reasonable price to meet your office cleaning regularly. Our team of professional cleaners are friendly, trustworthy, well-trained. They had undergone training and understand the do's and don'ts. Basic office scope of work. Vacuuming office carpet. Wiping all tables and chairs. Wiping all cabinets. Wiping glass door. Wiping windows. Wiping and polishing all office phone. Emptying all rubbish bins. Cleaning and clearing pantry area. If you are looking for an experienced, reputable and trustworthy cleaning company, look no further. Auntie Cleaner is here upon your request. We offer an extensive range of cleaning services and concentrate providing the utmost competitive rates, hassle-free, reliability and trust to all our clients. All sort of businesses benefit from our thoroughness because hygiene and tip-top appearance is one of the most crucial factors in the public's point of view. We provide service for island-wide regardless of small or big job. Our team of professional cleaners are fully licensed and insured to protect your business equipment and property. If you got a space or area that you prefer us to not touch that specific area, let us know. You can trust that we will not touch those areas, leaving them entirely the way it was originally placed. We always strive to work efficiently to exceed all of our clients' expectation to provide guaranteed satisfaction. Our services extend beyond the routine office cleaning job. We do serve and are more than willing to meet your requirements each time. Should you require other services such as spring cleaning, monthly packages, do look for us too.